Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I guess for today I'm going to do a quick review on this brand that I found when I was doing my research on the internet. I found about Melody Charm, and they basically have like custom acrylic keychains, sticker books, button pins, and so much more stuff. I can put it on the side of the screen or somewhere on the screen so that you guys can see. But other than that, I really liked the outcome of the product that I requested. I requested button pins, but it hasn't come yet. So when it comes, I'll probably do another review on that. And I also got some other stuff too, I think. But for now, I ordered 100 custom keychains. I know that was very ambitious of me to do that because, like, I don't know how many people is gonna buy my merch or anything, and I'm just holding on faith in God that people will buy. So yeah, I get to show you the creation. It's in this plastic film. They put in this protective thing so it can be protected while it's in transit. It looks like this, and it has like this little keychain. I chose that the little topper keychain. I don't know why I chose it to be like that. I thought it was so cute, so I had to like do it like this because I never saw any place that offers like keychains, so I had to do something cute. So yeah, and also they have like a protective film. When you rip this plastic out, there's like a protective film over it to, I guess, to protect it against scratches and stuff. So when you get it, it'll probably have the same for your acrylic keychains. I guess they are comparable to Vograce because I also bought from Vograce and still haven't received none of my items yet. It's been over a month for both places, Melody Charm and Vograce. But one thing I do appreciate about Melody Charm is that they pride themselves on communication as well, and they also showed me the mock-ups of how my keychains was gonna look before I got them. So that was nice. I think I ordered glitter, but I don't see any glitter on this keychain, so I don't know what happened in manufacturing this product. But other than that, it doesn't bother me. I like it either way. It's really nice and cool, and I think that I made a good choice in buying from Melody Charm. And even when I told them that I haven't received my package, they were able to reach out. They reached out to me very quickly and got the issue sorted out. But I also have other products that I bought from them, so hopefully they come in and I get to like sell them as well. But I really am so impressed with this. Like, I can't stop looking at it. I can't stop, like, I can show you a video of how it looked like when I got it out the package, because I opened another one of this before, but it was so nice, and I like the colors and how vibrant it is and how everything came together. So I'm really appreciative about that. Melody Charm also came with stickers, like free stickers, and some free stickers here. I can show you, and also like a card with $5 off coupon if you do some, I think if you leave a positive review of it on your page, which I already have a positive review, and I'm very grateful for Melody Charm. So I get to show you some of their stickers that they have. I bought custom stickers, but not from Melody Charm or Vograce. I don't know why I didn't, because I bet it would come out really nice. So this is how one of them looks. I believe they're all vinyl stickers, and then there's some holographic and some others ones with different designs on them. There's this one, it's so cute. Then there's this one. And then there's this clear sticker. I think this is so cute and really nice. Then there's this one. It's like, it has like a holographic film around it and the borders. So this is nice. Oh, this is so cute. This has like shimmer glitter. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. The camera probably is not doing it justice, but it's some shimmer and some glitter. It's so nice. And this one is the holographic stars. If you can see, you can probably see it right here. And this one is the heart one. And this one is the other holographic sticker. So I'm probably gonna most likely shop with them again. The only downside was that when I was shopping was it was only through PayPal I could purchase through, like order my stuff through. So I'm hoping that maybe with time that maybe their site was just down at that time, but hopefully like I can do more purchases with them. And also Vograce, because I know that they're comparable to Vograce and both have good quality as far as I'm concerned. And I'm waiting on my items for Vograce to come, but I haven't really seen a lot of people do reviews on Melody Charm, which prompted me to like want to make a video about it, to just test it out and try it out. But I'm very happy, so that was good. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below, did you like my keychain, and what I could do better to like make my keychain better. And also, if you're going to comment, why don't you subscribe? It's free. And if you're going to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time your girl upload a video. And with that being said, bye.